How to cancel Peacock TV subscription. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to cancel your Peacock TV subscription. Whether you're looking to take a break from streaming or you're considering other options, I'll make this process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Peacock TV website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you're using the Peacock app, launch it and sign in as well. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and from the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Next, find the Manage Subscription option. Here, you'll see details about your current plan and click on it and you'll find an option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to proceed with the cancellation. Remember, you may still have access to your subscription until the end of your billing cycle. You'll be asked to confirm your cancellation, so review any prompts or messages regarding the cancellation policy. Then confirm that you wish to cancel. Once you do this, you should receive a confirmation email from Peacock regarding your subscription cancellation. Finally, make sure to check your email for the cancellation confirmation. If you don't receive it within a few minutes, you might want to log back into your account to ensure that the cancellation has gone through. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Peacock TV subscription. If you decide to return in the future, signing up again is just as easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.